Good morning, guys. PokeZeus here. We have another giveaway. This giveaway was actually sponsored by one of my followers. I'll throw up his Instagram here. Super chill dude. If you want to go give him a follow. He is looking for some things for his from base set to I think all the Wizards of the Coast era cards. So he may be interested. But without further ado, he gave us a Dragapult Prime box to give away to one of you for free. All you have to do is make sure you are following me on Instagram. If you're seeing this on YouTube, just go ahead straight over to Instagram, PokeZeus757. Give me a follow, and on top of that, make sure you comment and like this post specifically. I'll be going off the comments. So if you comment, I'll be adding your name on a wheel. And then 1 week from today, so next Friday, we'll be doing a giveaway. The shipping's completely free. And yeah, super excited about that. And thank you very much, Vic. I'll see you guys at Pokeberg tomorrow. Deuces.